Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So, I'm presenting the screen in my while. Confirm everyone if the screen is presentable or not. Okay, so yesterday our homework was given to you question number 3, 4, and 5. Question number 3 was done by everyone. Question number 3 is part 2. The answer has come out to be 1 or 2. How many have got this answer? 1 or 2 as the answer. Did everybody get this answer? Kindly see. Tell me yes or no. 1 or 2 as the answer. Only 3. Rest of you haven't got the answer? Asha, should we move on then? Should we move on to the next question of the homework? Okay, she has written yes. Okay, I'm moving on to the next question, which is question number 4. And I hope you have done question number 3 using Sridharacharyya's formulas also. Now, and I also hope that you have got the same answer using the quadratic formula. Whether you use quadratic formula or you use middle term, you will get the same answer. Clear? So, moving on to question number 4, we have the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. The sum of age, let the present age be x. Always this sort of question you have to assume the present age to be x. 3 years ago the age will be 3 years ago the age will be how much? X minus 3, and 5 years from now the age will be x plus 5. I don't think this is a big of problem out here. Yes, no. Reading the first sentence, we see the sum of the reciprocals of the Rahman's age. So 1 by x minus 3 and 1 by x plus 3, the sum of reciprocals is equals to how much? 1 by 3. Yes, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equals 1 by 3. Is this clear to everyone? Chalo then go on to calculate the value for x. How many have got this equation? I hope this equation is not a problem for anyone. Understanding of the most important portion of these word problems are to understand and frame the equation. If you know how to do that, I don't think solving is a big issue. Okay, if you don't have the equation, you'll not be able to solve it. So start solving it. How much is the value for x? Can anyone tell me? 7 years or minus 3, very good. So obviously we cannot take age as negative, right? So we'll assume it to be 7 years. Rahman's present age has to be 7 years. Clear? Now people who are having problem is simple, just take the LCM as we did in question number 3, part 2. 3 part 2 and question number 4 solving technique is the same. You have to take the LCM, then you have to cross multiply. That time you will get the equation as x square 4x and 21, and 21 obviously can be broken in 7 3, right? So minus 4 can be easily break by minus 7x plus 3x, giving you answer as 7 and minus 3. I hope this is not a big problem for anyone. Did everybody understand how to solve this? Yes or no? Shubhrajit, they kindly copy it down first. People who have not done it, kindly copy it down and make sure you always write this line. The values which you are ignoring, the reason for the ignorance needs to be mentioned in the question. Clear? If you don't mention it, it's not advisable not to mention. It's always advisable to mention. Clear? Should we move on to the fifth one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is Chef Ali's marks. The sum of Chef Ali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So somehow we assume Chef Ali's marks in maths to be 30, therefore marks in English will be 30 minus x. Any doubt? Yes.
No, sir.
Had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product would have been 210. So if she had got 2 marks more in maths, right? So if her marks would be this in maths and English में how much? 30 minus x minus 3, right? This is in English. The product would have been, sorry, the product would have been 210. Any doubt? Yes. Go on to frame the equation. Go on to frame the actual equation and calculate the values for x. That is the marks obtained in mathematics. And you have to find the marks obtained in English also. Did everybody understand this equation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Frame the equation, multiply this thing, frame it, check if you're getting this kind of equation or not, and go on to tell the value for x. Agnik, wait, okay, don't tell the answer. How many have got the answer? Just tell me that. Swastik, you have to be on time. How many have got the answer for this?
Yes, sir. Got.
Trideep has got. How many else?
Sir, I have got.
Bodhishwata, Agnik also has got. Who else have got? How many else have got the answer? Saptarishi, Shomajit, Shubhrojit, Joy Rishi, Sheel, Surya, Anantajit, Pratoy. Don't sit like this, like ghosts. Tell me what is the value for x. Trideep say, no, no, not Trideep. I'll ask the answer from Shomajit Sheel. Mr. Sheel, tell me the value for x, that is the marks obtained in maths. If you haven't done it, fast do it. Shomajit Sheel will tell me the answer. Shomajit Sheel or Shomajit Sarkar, any of you can answer. And kindly make it fast. If you are doing it, let me know, sir. We are doing it. Anyone who has done it? Sir, there are four possibilities of the mass in English. Four possible. Let's see. We'll give some more time to rest of the students to solve it. The values for x will be 12 and 13. That means the marks obtained in maths will be either 12 or 30. So when we say marks obtained in maths is 12, marks obtained in English will be 18. Clear? And when the marks obtained in maths is 13, then the marks obtained in English will be 17. There are no four values, there are only two values for which we are getting two more values for English.
If we had taken English as 8, answer we would get maths as 17, answer 18.
No, but you'll get the same answer. If you even take English as x, if you even take English as x, you'll get the same answer.
But sir, in that case, the marks in English is changing, so that's what.
Sorry, Agnik. In that case, the marks will be no, no, no. It will come same. That day also you had this problem. You complete the numerical full and then you show it to me. Complete the numerical full and then show. Merely assuming will not load. You'll have to do it entire and show it to me then. Understood? Agnik? Marks obtained. Oh shit, you have answered it. Obtained in maths is 12, marks obtained in English is 18. Who will say 13? You don't have to write so much, you could have easily spoken. Now I hope people have got this answer. Even if you take English marks to be x and then take maths marks to be 30 minus x, you'll get the same answer. So you don't have to worry for that. Only if you go according to question, answers will be coming same. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because Agnik has this tendency of taking things not in a normal way, and that's a very good thing. Okay? But you'll have to even work for it. Should we move on to the next question? Yes. Here's the next question. I'll give you exactly 2 minutes to frame the equation. First of all, frame the equation and tell me what the equation comes out to be. I'll pause the video for the time being. This is the question number 6, which you have to frame the equation. And people watching the video, even they are supposed to pause the video and try it out. Okay then. How many have framed the equation for question number 6?
Sir, I have.
Who? Agnik?
Sir, Protay.
Protoy? Yes. Tell me the equation. First explain the question. First you have to tell me what you'll have to assume.
So we will have to assume the diagonal is x, and since the diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side, that being, let it be the breadth. Therefore, the breadth will be x minus 60. And
You forget about the breadth. Now the shorter side they have told you, so you assume the shorter side to be x. Clear? And the diagonal, this diagonal will become 60 more than the shorter side. So this is the diagonal. If the longer side is 30 more than the shorter side, if the longer side is 30 more than the shorter side.
sir, I think we will get the answer as same only. So we have
Yeah, you might get an answer same, but you should go according to question instead of telling
Okay,
breadth, because there's nothing mentioned breadth out here. Okay, they have mentioned it in form of shorter and the longer side. If they would have mentioned it using length and breadth, that time it would be okay for you to take length and breadth. Clear? I'm not saying that you're wrong. I'm just saying that you have to go according to the question. What sentence is the word? What words are used in this question? You have to go according to that. Clear?
okay, sir.
So the longer side has been given to us as 30 meters more than the shorter side. So this is the this what do I say? This is your shorter side length, and by Pythagoras theorem, if this is the rectangle, this is the diagonal, this is the this is the shorter side. Pratha, I'm not saying that you are wrong. Okay, it's just that it's better if you go according to question. Okay, this is the
Okay,
longer
sir.
side and this is the diagonal side. Clear? So the diagonal square will become how much? This square plus this square, right? This is how the questions will look like. Equation. So when you square both sides, you'll be getting the final equation. What is the final equation that you've got? Did everybody get this equation? If you haven't, you'll have to solve it. You have to take these squares, both the sides, and then you have to solve it to get the answer. Clear? Clear, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So kindly solve it fast. Tell me the value for x. 2700, 930. Easy. 9 and 3. 60 will be minus 60, you'll be getting it by minus 90 plus 30. Did everybody understand the framing of equation? Yes? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, Surya has got the answer. Very good. Answer is 90 or 60. You have to find the sides of the field. Tell me the sides of the field also. The shorter side has come out to be either 90 or minus 30. So minus 30, obviously it will be ignored. So length of the larger side is 30 more than the shorter side. So length of the larger side is 120. Length of the larger side is 120. The shorter side is how much? 90. What is the length of the diagonal then? Anyone? It's 60 more than the shorter side. So 150 meters or centimeter, whatever has been given to you. Is this numerical clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure. People who are not done with this numerical, kindly copy each and every line properly. And over here, they haven't calculated the diagonal length of the diagonal, so you have to calculate the length of the diagonal also. So you have to write the length of the diagonal. Diagonal will be 90 plus 60. It's x plus 60, sorry. So x has come out to be 90 plus 60, giving you 150. Is this numerical clear to everyone? Yes or no? Kindly confirm. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Kaustav Sarkar, ultra legend. Kaustav, you are supposed to attend the class on time, not after the time has passed out. Your assignment for today will be 7, 8 and 9. Clear? This will be your question, how homeworks for today. And one more thing, yesterday I given you the syllabus for your Pre-mid exams. I hope people have copied it down. What was the syllabus? Can anyone repeat it for me? Chapter 1, 2 and 3. Excellent job. I hope people have no issues with that. So this is your assignment for today. Now if anybody has any difficulty regarding to this class, you can feel free to ask. And if no difficulty, then I'd like to wrap up the class. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.